Hey folks, Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design. Today I want to talk to you about something that's really got me steamed. You know, the thing that really gets under your skin. The thing that really gets your underwear in a twist. Gets you all uncomfortable and excited. That is big box professionals giving bad information to good people. Matter of fact, I don't even know if I can call them professionals. They're the person who filled out the application and was available for the shift that they needed to show up for. In the last couple months, I've gotten 2 phone calls from folks who have purchased countertops, quartz countertops, from a big box retailer. Oh, they were told they could save big money. But when they got in a pinch and couldn't install their product, the company left them flat. Why? Because they said if you need it installed, we have installers that we refer right here on the wall, and some of those say we install countertops. But it's what the consumer doesn't know, because they know that they think countertops are all countertops. If you install one, you install them all. But products like quartz, granite, Corian, they require special skills and special tools. They require somebody who's had proper training to properly install the product. And not everybody on the referral list at the big box stores had that training. Why? They're just someone who passed the background check. They don't vet them. They don't go out and look at their jobs. They don't look at their shops. They don't look at anything. They just want to know that they can pass the background check and they can carry the amount of insurance they require and that they are added as an additional insured. That's why I always recommend you go to the professionals to do large remodeling projects, such as your, kitchen comes to mind. And whether it's one part of your kitchen or the whole kitchen, I suggest you use a professional company that can help you. So, here's what happens. You go in, you purchase the countertop, they tell you that everything is great, you invest your $2,000 or $3,000 for the countertop, and then when you can't put it in, you now have nobody install it. What do you do? Well, if it was me, and the last person that called me and told me what had happened to him, I said if it was me, I would take it back to that company and tell them if they can't get it installed for me because I've decided that I can't handle the project, I want my money back. That's what I would do. And that's what I suggested to this person who called me. Now, the first time this has happened, that gentleman was a little bit more fortunate. He only had a small vanity top that needed 2 small holes drilled in it. One for a faucet and one for a vessel sink. I took it down to my granite supplier, and they graciously drilled a couple holes in it for me for pizza. That's right. I bring them so much business that they said they would do it for pizza. And I went ahead and charged a little bit to the client for gas and time getting it there and bringing it back, but it was just a few bucks. Very small. Helped him out of a jam. Folks, I don't want to see you throw bad money in there. I don't want to see you get hurt. Choose a good quality professional when you are doing a major project. Do all the research up front. Go look at the work they've done. Call their referrals. Demand it. Demand it of us. We are happy to give you a list of people who we've done work for that are thrilled that we were there to help them out. And we even have DIY customers that are starting to come aboard because we can save them thousands of dollars installing their projects themselves, and we are there to support them if they get in a pinch. Go to our website, midwestcabinetsanddesign.com, and look at our DIY program. And if you want to do it yourself, work with people that want to help you get it done right. Now, as far as the big box stores, if you want to go buy a bucket of paint or some rags or caulk or screw or 2x4s or plywood, something like that to go work on a project, great, go do it. I go there from time to time. I suggest you do too. But when it comes to big investments, such as remodeling your kitchen, do some research. Make sure that if you're going to do it yourself, that you have a backup plan that will work if something goes wrong. I want to help you out any way I can, folks. So follow us on Facebook. Go to our website, MidwestCabinetsAndDesign.com, and let us help you with your next project. Even if you want to call me up and ask my advice on something, I am happy to help you out. Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first. Have a great day.